Hi, I'm Dr. Carol McBride, therapist and author of 3 books on narcissism and the effects of being raised by a narcissistic parent. Are you an adult child raised by a narcissistic parent? Do you feel alone in this journey? Are you stuck in recovery and don't know where to go for help? I have written a 5-step recovery program for your recovery, and it is now available in a virtual workshop. You can do this work in the comfort of your own home, at your own pace, and for a minimal cost. You can find the workshop at williEverBeGoodEnough.com. Come join the movement of recovering adult children who have been raised in a narcissistic family. You are so worth it, and we want to support you.